Hey guys, this is how to fix no valid QR code detected on your WhatsApp web. So let's get into it and fix this error. So the first thing that you need to do is to simply click on the three dots at the top right corner of your browser and then simply click on the settings. And here in the left menu you can see a lot of the options. You have to just scroll all the way down at the bottom. Simply click on the About Chrome and wait for updating your Chrome. Then click on the Privacy and Security in the left menu. Now click on Clear Browsing Data. So once you are here at this interface, click on the Basic section and then select for these all options here. Click on the Clear Data. So wait for completing this process. Again click on the Clear Browsing Data here. Now click on the Advanced. In the time range, select for all time and then select for these options here. Again click on the Clear Data and wait for completing this process. After completing this process, you have to just close your WhatsApp web and then again open your WhatsApp web in a new tab, but make sure that you are connected with a stable internet connection. Open your WhatsApp web and again try to scan your QR code from your mobile phone by following these steps here. So this time hopefully your problem will be fixed 100%. If not, then you have to just restart your system one time. After restarting your system, your problem will be fixed. That's all for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.